Okay, I picked up a few electronics. They were outside for free. We got an LG TV. I'm not sure what size it's 55. Another LG TV, smaller one, 40 maybe or something, and a smaller LG generic TV bound. Two monitors and VCR players, 3 Panasonic, and a bag of CCTV cameras, old ones. And yeah, next stuff we'll have a closer look later. And this big camera, inspection camera or for projector or whatever, also old school. So yeah, we will have a closer look and check them, see if anything useful. Alright, I tested them. This small LG TV, it works, but the backlight is dead. You can see a shadow of a picture if you put a light next to the screen. And 55K, it's working, as you can see. I mean the 55-inch. I believe it's a 4K TV, because the model number is 55 UH, which stands for Ultra HD, I believe, 65-T. And it's working. It's just missing a remote control, which is something easy to get. And this one, it's an old TV by the look of it. It's 42-inch. And the third one, the small one, it needs adapter. So it works right now, but we don't know, maybe there is a problem that will appear later. This is just a shadow. Also, I need to get a remote for it. I do have a few LG remotes. Some of them will work probably. And this is a cat sleeping. Okay, now let's see what we have in this bag of goodies. Looks like mostly CCTV cameras. This is just a shell. Here we have a Panasonic WV-SP305. I don't know if this is vintage or it's modern. It's Ethernet here, when we have audio output, mic line in, 12 volt in, and external I/O, and monitor out. We will test it later. Here we have a slot for SD card, and you can lock it with this lever. Cables and brackets and cleaning cloths. Another Panasonic camera, IPRD. No SD card. Panasonic remote control for the VHS player, I believe. Crusty batteries. Another Panasonic remote with also leaking batteries. HDMI cable, always handy. Garmin GPS navigator bracket. And power supply. Power adapter for this thing, which is media hub, also with an HDMI cable SD card, multimedia card, and 2 USB 2 type A. We'll test it later. Brackets and a camera for this one, I believe. Yes. It has zoom and tilt and pan. A third Panasonic camera. None of them have a SD card. More cables. Yamaha remote. No battery, thanks God. A fourth camera. AC adapter. 12 volt. Another camera. They're all wet because they left outside under the rain. Another intact camera with the spider web and some water damage. This is the lens. More cameras, all need cleaning. More camera. This one looks better. Shelf. And a fifth Panasonic. More remote controls. And that's it. So how many CCTV cameras we have? We have this one for this one, this one for this one, and this one for this one. So we have 5 dome cameras and 5 bullet cameras. No, not 5. These are 6. Are they? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6, but 1 without a shell. Maybe it's there. I forgot to bring it. Yeah, 6 dome cameras and 5 bullet cameras. Not bad for free, not bad. Now we will test this camera. It is a national TV camera. It comes with the YZ access tray for monitoring. It has a light. Someone put a light here and for inspection, and this is the power button for the camera and the light. It runs by 220 mains voltage, and it has a BNC connector, and this is the power button. That's it. So I will connect it to this TV, which is I also got for free like a couple of weeks ago. Got a BNC adapter. Just put it here and connect the composite video, and let's switch it on and see. Hopefully nothing will explode. Okay, the light is on. And let's move this cover. The camera is on, but yeah, I can see a white image. Okay, I need to adjust the zoom. Okay, there is a picture, but looks like it's negative or something. Let's text on. Yeah, the picture is negative. And it's not stable. When it's too bright, the picture becomes dark. Oh, we have a switch here. Oh, now the picture is positive, not negative. Okay. So this switch converts the picture from positive to negative. But still not clear. Okay, the lens clearly needs cleaning. It's very dirty. There is another lens here that connects here. So here you have it. That's the camera itself. I will play with it later to try to get a better image. Clean the lenses maybe. Maybe we'll take this apart later. But for now, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.